Hi guys, my name is Ebony Lux, and today we're going to be doing a long braided ponytail with bangs. Alright, so what I'm doing here is parting my bangs out and twist it up and get it out of the way. Edge glue stick here and put it over my entire head. Make sure that all those hairs are laid down and smooth. Alright, go ahead and grab that hot comb and get it as straight as you can on this week-old hair. And pull it up into a loose ponytail. Grab your got to be glue, spray it in the back, use that brush to brush those hairs and lay them down, get it nice and smooth. Grab your blow dryer and mold that down. So I'm going to go ahead and pull it up into a nice tight ponytail. Make sure everything is nice and smooth all the way around. Today I'm going to be using Expressions 82-inch braiding hair and freetress deep wave crochet hair. The product I'm using here is the Shine Jam in the yellow and black container. Shine Jam is really good for keeping those hairs laid down and the braids smooth as you go. here you can see that I'm actually adding in the freetress hair. I actually did not like the way that it came out, so I actually cut it out. Later in the video you'll see that. Make sure it's nice and smooth, and we're gonna go ahead and wrap that around the ponytail. I'm using my Got2b glue spray to help hold that piece of hair in place. I'm just going to blow dry it down so that it stays. Alright, let's get into these edges. What I'm using today is the Edge Effect Extreme Hold. for watching. Make sure